conservation is something that's very, very important, very dear to my heart. Education is the cornerstone of conservation. Making people understand, making people educated about what is conservation. Like African elephants, other wildlife such as sharks, seahorses are impacted by human consumption.
我覺得呢個工作坊好有意義，而且咧可以話俾大家聽，唔好殺害野生大象。
好嘢，你淨係輕輕用啲筆畫打返個陰影仔就得㗎。
我想支持啲大象啦，同埋勸告啲人唔好再殺大象啦。
我想同大笨象，我哋會支持你嘅，你唔使擔心你嗰啲同伴冇晒。佢哋要保護大笨象，唔可以殺害佢哋，因為殺害咗佢哋嘅話，我哋世界上就冇晒大笨象嘅話，嗰啲大笨象就會冇晒同伴，佢哋咧就會好傷心。
其實我覺得香港小朋友咧好少接觸知道呢個象牙嘅產品係啲咩回事，亦都唔知道原來會用啲象牙產品嘅時候，象係會受到殺害咯。咁透過呢個活動，我讓到我自己嘅小朋友咧會知道咗原來我哋如果用呢啲產品嘅時候，有象會受到殺害咯。
咁我今次真係好開心啦，有 WildAid 啦，同埋一班嘅小朋友陪我參加呢個工作坊，叫做假如大象不見了。因為如果我哋唔好好珍惜，咁不斷咁殺害，為咗攞嗰啲象牙咧，真係10年、20年之後啲大象就會冇晒。咁我希望政府正式立例去嚴禁買賣象牙，因為沒有買賣就沒有殺害，好冇
Ocean Park and OPCF have been engaging students from kindergartens to universities, not just raising awareness, but also inspiring action to conserve wildlife and their habitats. And that's something that's very, very important for us. It's important that people really understand the danger for all these animals, especially elephants today.